Hey guys, welcome to the boat tour video. Thanks for watching. This is Sailing Lean Times. This is our walk every day from the dock where our boat's at all the way back to the restroom and laundromat or car. And there it is. Lean Times. She's a 2004 141 aft cockpit. She's 41 foot overall. She has a 56 horsepower Yanmar diesel. She's got a 63 foot Selden in-mast roller furling mast and mainsail. She's got 110% Genoa. That's our little dinghy there. We're tied up here at a dock in Jacksonville, Florida. Cool thing about this is it's a B&R rig. There's no aft stays, so it really frees up the room in the cockpit. You can see here we have our full cockpit enclosure on because it was a little rainy. So let's start with a little bit of a tour of the cockpit here. When you step on board from the sugar scoop, you can see the cockpit's nice and big. Plenty of room. Got the chart plotter autopilot right there for you. And on top of the companionway, we have the Tridata wind speed, direction, depth. All the winches right here. All the lines are led aft to the cockpit on this boat, which makes it really nice. No need to go up front unless something breaks. There's a big lazarette right there in the cockpit on the side, port side there, as well as two in the back corners. These really nice stern seats. There's also a propane locker and a big lazarette on the sugar scoop step. And here's Amber. She's going to do our inside boat tour video.
So this is our new home, and it's actually way more comfortable than our temporary home, the RV back in Abilene. So we have our nice little galley here. Got pantry space. More pantry space. It actually goes down a little bit. Our tiny, super cold refrigerator. Storage in the floor. Access to the engine filters. Steps lift up for additional access to the engine. Have a 2-burner gimbaled stove. Microwave. 4 cabinets. My favorite galley feature is the dish drying rack. So you just wash your dishes, throw them in here, water drips off, runs into the bilge, and there's a switch under the sink that turns on the blower, and it basically dries your dishes for you, and they're already put away when you're done. And we have plenty of lighting. Air conditioning works amazingly. Great countertops. Trash bin. We have access to the trash there. We have this nice dining area. There's storage. There's storage below and behind the dining. This table lets down. We have cushions that go on top. Makes for nice bedding. We also have this little love seat here. Just sit my whole down.
You have to pull that latch that's under the cushion.
Quite a bit of storage for quick grab tools. We have our nav station here. Charts and miscellaneous tools inside. Access to some of our panels. Batteries are in here. Our super tiny little bathroom comes complete with a manual flush toilet, stainless steel sink, and a shower that you can't have a party in, but you can at least bathe. And if you don't want to use this door, you can use this one and have private access from the aft cabin. Aft cabin has a queen size mattress. We have some storage along the very stern of the boat and at the foot of the bed and also at the head. We have a nice little vanity. This is also where we can get to the transmission. And we have a small closet with some shelving in there. Stepping down into the Pullman berth, we have Tim's room. Starts out pretty much full size, tapers down to a twin. Tim has sink, much bigger closet, and we have another bathroom up here. It's going to be shower and toilet. Currently it's being used for storage as the toilet was removed by the previous owner. Or looking to replace that soon. What else? Great headroom. I'm 5'3". My husband's 6'1". He can access and walk around through here pretty easy. I keep saying access a lot. We have fans installed everywhere to keep our air circulating. We have 2 air conditioning systems, one for the rear, one for the central part of the boat. Nice big hatch for fresh air. We have smaller ones over the kitchen. I don't know what else to show you.
Hey guys, this is Amber. Y'all haven't met her yet. This is my wife. And I've been telling y'all we were going to sit down and do a video. So here we go. So tell everybody why we're doing what we're doing.
Wow, that's a lot to share. So here we are on either side of 40. We have 2 sons, 15-year-old and 17-year-old. And we have sold our property and everything on it. Our buyers were known to us previously. They're our neighbors' kids, and they offered to take everything, including the animals. So they wound up with dogs, pig, chickens, tractor, our other sailboat, our powerboat, and all the contents of the house and barn. And that gave us the ability to get debt-free, minus 1 pickup truck, and we have gone back into debt to purchase this boat. And our goal is to sail the world, travel, see, experience what's out there, try all the cool food, maybe some bad food, see all those wonderful shots they put on the screensaver for your usual desktop. I don't know, what else do you want to add?
What are your biggest fears about doing this?
Eating something really bad, or getting bit by something really bad, or just basically becoming disabled by some means. I don't really have any fears about the boat, travel, sailing, any of that.
What are you most looking forward to?
The open ocean, being out by ourselves. We're kind of loners, so we enjoy solitude.
What do you think of the boat now that you finally got to stay on it? And
It's awesome. I dig
live in
it.
it for
I
a
don't
little
want to
bit.
leave it. We've only been in it a couple of days now, and I'm already homesick thinking about getting on the airplane to go back to our life in Texas.
So, me and Tim will be coming back to the boat in about 17 days, and we'll start our month-long journey home. So stay tuned for a bunch of that. It'll be our first time to sail this boat. Be our first time to ever sail on the ocean. Be our first time to ever have to navigate, because we've been sailing in a lake. It'll be interesting.
It'll be their first time unsupervised.
Yeah, we won't have any, you know. But anyway. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see our trip. And have a good one.